Morning, everybody. It's March the 22nd, Monday morning. I know I'm kind of late on the recap video for last week, but let's just get to it. I did 8 trades last week. I'm 6 for 8, 6 winners. I had 2 losses. Let's look at the losses. I lost again on DoorDash, which I received a buy signal, bought the call option. That was a loser because it continued to go down. I bought it on this day here when it's at 140.69. And as you can see here, it just traded down the rest of the week. And Nvidia also too. I bought a put option on it, and I was in the 490, which would have been right around here, this area here. So it never even, penetrated 500. So that was a loss. I went on Apple. Apple was a winner. What else? I went on Apple, Tilray, Riot, Win, Baba, AMD. So 6 for 8. And let's see what what it looks like in my trading log. My gross was in the negative, and my P&L is -1, but my gross is in the green now. It's giving me a 58% win. After 19, this month, after 19 trades, and my expectancy is in the green. My equity curve, you can see here, I was down, but based on those gains, I'm slightly in the green. So, the trades that I have for the week that I'm looking at, what I'm looking at this week is, I'm looking at, Dash gave another buy signal, but I would wait for the bar to wait for the daily to line up with it. I got a sell signal on DraftKings. I'm also waiting for a lineup here. You see the bar. Remember, the yellow bar indicates a downward move, a possible downward move. So that's a sell signal, but I'm waiting for a lineup. Looking at GLD, I'm staying away from. Google also gave a buy signal, but I'm also waiting for a lineup on that. Intel gave a sell signal, waiting on a lineup for that. Lyft I may get into today. It's actually a lineup here. I should have actually got into it Friday, but I didn't. So we'll see. Netflix, I got a buy signal. I'm looking at Netflix to buy. And let's see the option. Let's go with the right now. Let me show you what that looks like. Netflix option. My price is right around here, so I'm looking at that 540 call option right now. So it closed at 512 on Friday, so I'm looking at the 540, like right around here, 540. So we're talking about a $27, almost a $28 move that I'll be speculating on. So I'll be looking to get into that today. What else? Netflix. This is the Bitcoin index. You can't trade options on this Bitcoin index. but there are stocks that are linked to it. Riot is one of the stocks that are linked to it, but I don't really have a sell signal on that. Shopify, I got a buy signal on that. This is another stock whose options contracts are really expensive. They're really expensive. Let me show you. Look, Shopify is at 1120. Let's look at the 1200. The 1200 is $650. That was where it closed at on Friday. So for an $80 move, you got to lay out $650. My price, the price that I'm looking at is right around here. But look how far you got to go out. The 1270. So that Shopify, Amazon, Tesla, those options are really expensive. And I always wait till they get my price. Typically, I would get a good price in between Wednesday and Friday, closer and closer to expiration. Let's see. S&DL gave a sell signal. I'm staying away from that. That's one of those vetted stocks. And I don't even have a lineup. You know what I mean? I'm looking at, they might want to take these highs out before it sells off back down to this level. TLT, I'm also looking for a lineup on that. It's a buy signal. And Twitter. Twitter is actually a lineup, and I'll probably be looking to get into that today. So Twitter and Netflix are buys. And the rest of them I'm going to see, what the price does and see what it looks like towards the close. So I'll do another video at close once I get into these positions. Right now, pre-market, I'm going to turn the pre-market on. So you can see what it's doing pre-market. This is pre-market. This was Friday. So this is today, Monday, this bar here. So Twitter is slightly up. You can see here on the daily chart. Twitter is slightly up. It's at 66.90. Let's look at what the options look like. 66.90. So I'm looking at right around here, that 68 contract. Could do the 67.50, but I'll do the 68. That. So we'll see what happens. I'll do another video today. But I just wanted to do this recap of the trades from last week, where I made a few $100s. And we'll see what happens today. I will also be doing a video per request. Someone's made a suggestion that I explain in more detail certain things. And I will be doing a video explaining options and explaining the charts. And I will have some recommended reading material for you in the next video. Well, maybe not the next, but it'll be this week. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate you guys listening, and talk to you soon. Bye.